So we now have our canvas here. Let's get rid of this guy. Let's learn how to draw something on the canvas. So let's go into our index.js file. Let's first grab the canvas. So let's do let canvas equals document.getElementById, and we're looking for the game screen. And we need the context of the canvas. So next we'll say let context equal canvas.getContext, and we're going to be using two-dimensional context here. The context gives us a rendering context for actually drawing to the canvas. I'm going to rename this to CTX just because we're going to be using it a lot in this project, and context is kind of a long word, just keep typing over and over again. Now let's simply just draw a square onto our canvas. So let's say ctx.fillRect. So we're going to fill a rectangle. We're going to start it at coordinates of 20, 20. So 20 on the x-axis, 20 on the y. And how big do we want it? We want to say the width will be 100 and the height will be 100. There we go, simple square. If we want to change the color, we can tell the context, let's fill the style equal to this value. Let's make it red, so F00. Now we have a red square. Now do note that once you set the fill style, every time you make a new drawing, it's going to use that same fill style. So if we do ctx.fillRect, let's do another one at 200, 200, and make it a little bit smaller, 50 by 50. That square is also going to be red. If you want it to be blue, we have to update the fill style to 00F. And now that one is going to be blue. So the fill style sets the fill style, and then you're going to fill a rectangle with that style that you've recently specified.